on the floor. I see myself and I look really scattered. But I live my broken dream.
Tommy Pushpins, a boy with a plan, walked to his lonely class in the afternoon. All Tommy Pushpins really wanted was to play with his birds. Unfortunately, his mom had put the birds up for sale on eBay for pizza money. "Don't push my pins, mother," the boy would say to his mother. It is safe to say, his pins were sufficiently and thoroughly pushed. Also, the boy's teacher was his mother.
"Hello, you fool. You stupid boy. You utter imbecile. Dunce. You dunce. What dunce bitch boy, fuck you cunt, fuck you cunt."
Hi.
"Why are you here so early, you baby whore bitch? Gonna cry, you ugly hoe? I'll fucking kill you."
I'm getting all of you out of here, birds.